This Tagalog grammar lesson is about ordinal numbers in Filipino. Ordinal numbers are numbers that show position or order in a sequence. For example, first, second, third, fourth, and so on. In English, the suffixes st, nd, rd, and the most common one, th, are attached at the end of cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 respectively. In Tagalog, we have two ways of forming ordinal numbers. First is by prefixing pang to a cardinal number. Pang plus cardinal number. And the other one is by placing the prefix ika before a cardinal number. Ika plus cardinal number. The difference between these two is that ika is usually used to say the date or tell the time in Tagalog and is rather formal as compared to pang. So you will only see ika in formal documents like news reports or school essays. By the way, cardinal numbers are numbers that we use for counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Before we begin, let me just tell you that the prefix pang has two other variants, namely pam and pan. Pang is used if the Tagalog cardinal number starts with a vowel and the letter W. So remember, it's pang plus vowel and pang plus W. Pam, on the other hand, is used if the Tagalog cardinal number begins with either B or P. So it's pam plus B and pam plus P. And the last rule is about pan. Pan is used with all other consonants that are not B, P, or W. It's up to you if you want to memorize these rules because honestly, we don't mind if you use pang, pam, or pan interchangeably because we'll still get what you mean. Let's start forming ordinal numbers with these three irregular numbers. There are no rules to follow here, just memorize them. The ordinal number first in Tagalog under the prefix pang is una, not pang-una, just una, una. Second is pangalawa, not pangdalawa, but pangalawa. Third is pangatlo, not pangtatlo, it's pangatlo, pangatlo. Fourth is pang-apat, pang-apat. Remember the rule? Pang plus a vowel, so the prefix pang represents the English suffix th. Do you follow? Again, fourth is pang-apat, pang-apat. Fifth is panlima, pan plus the vowel l, panlima, panlima. Let's now take a look at the prefix ika. The ordinal number first is ika-isa, ika-isa. Please note that if you're writing this for time or date, always use a hyphen to separate ika and the number as shown on your screen. Next is an irregular formation because instead of ikadalawa, we say ikalawa, ikalawa, second. Third is also an irregular formation, ikatlo, ikatlo. Fourth and the rest of the numbers follow the pattern ika plus cardinal number. So fourth is ikaapat, ikaapat. Fifth is ikalima, ikalima. Sixth, pang-anim, pang-anim, or ika-anim, ika-anim. Seventh, pampito, pampito. Ikapito, ikapito. Eighth, pangwalo, pangwalo. ikawalo, ikawalo. Ninth, pansyam, pansyam. Ikasyam, ikasyam. Tenth, pansampu, pansampu. Ikasampu, ikasampu. 11th, panlabing isa, panlabing isa. Ikalabing isa, ikalabing isa. 12th, panlabindalawa, panlabindalawa. Ikalabindalawa, ikalabindalawa. 13th, panlabintatlo, panlabintatlo. Ikalabintatlo, ikalabintatlo. 14th, panlabing apat, panlabing apat. Ikalabing apat, ikalabing apat. 15th, panlabinlima, panlabinlima. Ikalabinlima, ikalabinlima. 20th, pandalawampu, pandalawampu. Or ikadalawampu, ikadalawampu. 25th, pandalawamput-lima, pandalawamput-lima. Ikadalawamput-lima, ikadalawamput-lima. 30th, pantatlumpu, pantatlumpu. Ikatatlumpu, ikatatlumpu. 40th, pang-apat na po, pang-apat na po. Ikaapat na po, ikaapat na po. 50th, panlimampu, panlimampu. Ikalimampu, ikalimampu. 60th, pang-anim na po, pang-anim na po. Or ika-anim na po, ika-anim na po. 70th, pampitumpu, pampitumpu. Ikapitumpu, ikapitumpu. 80th, pangwalumpu, pangwalumpu. Ikawalumpu, ikawalumpu. 90th, pansyam na po, pansyam na po. Ikasyam na po, ikasyam na po. 100th, pang-isangdaan, pang-isangdaan. Ika-isangdaan, ika-isangdaan. 1000th, pang-isang-libo, pang-isang-libo. Ika-isang-libo, ika-isang-libo. Let's go over the Tagalog ordinal numbers once more since it's easier to remember them as they are written rather than memorizing the rules. Una, una, first. Pangalawa, pangalawa, second. Pangatlo. Pangatlo. Third. Pang-apat. Pang-apat. Fourth. Panlima. Panlima. Fifth. Pang-anim. Pang-anim. Sixth. Pampito. Pampito. Seventh. Pangwalo. Pangwalo. Eighth. Pansyam. Pansyam. Ninth. Pansampu. Pansampu. Tenth. Panlabing-isa. Panlabing-isa. 11th. Panlabindalawa. Panlabindalawa. 12th. Panlabintatlo. Panlabintatlo. 13th. Panlabing-apat. Panlabing-apat. 14th. Panlabinlima. Panlabinlima. 15th. Panlabing-anim. Panlabing-anim. 16th. Panlabimpito. Panlabimpito. 17th. Panlabingwalo. Panlabingwalo. 18th. Panlabinsyam. Panlabinsyam. 19th. Pandalawampu. Pandalawampu. 20th. Pandalawamput-lima. Pandalawamput-lima. 25th. Pantatlumpu. Pantatlumpu. 30th. Pang-apat na po. Pang-apat na po. 40th. Panlimampu. Panlimampu. 50th. Pang-anim na po. Pang-anim na po. 60th. Pampitumpu. Pampitumpu. 70th. Pangwalumpu. Pangwalumpu. 80th. Pansyam na po. Pansyam na po. 90th. Pang-isang-daan. Pang-isang-daan. 100th. Pang-isang-libo. Pang-isang-libo. 1,000th. That's all for this lesson. I hope you learned a lot. Watch out for our next Filipino grammar tutorial where we will be using the ordinal numbers with the prefix ika to say and write the date in Tagalog. Please press the like button if you find this video useful. Maraming salamat po.